Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to earn on Sellfy. Now this is a tutorial for beginners, so we'll be taking everything from scratch. So are you ready? Let's go. Sellfy is an all-in-one e-commerce service designed for creators to sell digital or physical product, digital subscriptions, or print-on-demand merchandise. So depending on what you need, you can choose to build your store directly on Sellfy and sell from there, or integrate the Sellfy service into an existing website. And we'll be showing you these options so you can get a taste of what it looks like and what you can do when you're ready to take it on. So right away, we're going to go up to the top right corner and click on Start Free Trial, because Sellfy does have a free trial before you can go ahead and commit to it. So right here it says create your account, start your 14-day free trial. So we're going to put in our name, email address, and create a password. Of course, alternatively, to make things easier, you can choose to sign up with Google. So we're going to do that because that's faster. So after clicking on our Google and selecting the account we want to use, we've been taken to this page where we're being asked, what do you want to sell? And this is the first step of 3. So you're going to have to choose which product you'd like to sell. You have the option to sell digital downloads or streams, digital subscriptions, physical product, or print-on-demand product. Well, we're going to choose print-on-demand products and digital downloads. Let's go ahead and click on next. Of course, you can choose which suits your needs. So click on next after that, and then you're going to categorize your products. So right here, we're going to choose clothing and accessories, click on next, and then you're going to have to customize your store. So you have about 5 theme colors. We have the gray, we have the black, the blue, the pink, and the green. We're going to choose the black option, and then you're going to upload a photo for your store and then put in a store name. Now, as you can see, we've selected the theme color, we've put in a logo, and the name for our store is Brizzle. And then you have the short description. We've also put it here. And the nice thing about Sellfy is you can see the preview while you're working with it. Then you can see Instagram and TikTok icons here. And this is because you can put in your social links for both of these. Then of course you could click on add more and you can see other icons such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. Then you can go ahead and click on done. So now we're currently on our Brizzle shop. Of course, it's currently empty and we have a checklist to follow if indeed we want to sell on Sellfy. Now, in order to earn money, you need to create value. And in our case, we're trying to create a store and we've just started already. Now, there are 4 steps here. You need to, first of all, add your product, customize your store, connect a payment gateway, and select your plan. Now, when you pass through all of these, your Sellfy will be set up and you'll be able to position yourself to earn money on Sellfy. So we're going to go ahead and click on add my product. We're going to select a digital product, and then we're going to browse our computer or select from what we've uploaded already here on Sellfy. Now the limit is 50 files with a combined size of 10 GB. Then you're going to put in a product name, a product description, product category, product preview, and the price settings. Now, of course, we just want to add some product right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we've added a shirt and you can see there shirt product 1A, though you cannot see a preview of it and we'll be explaining why at the bottom. And as we're scrolling down, you can see product details, you have the product name, and we've given it a name, a striped holiday shirt. And then you have your product description. You have all these customization options to make your description better and more catchy. And then you're going to scroll down to where you have product category. And here it's basically saying, because you might be selling different products, you might need categories to help your clients easily access them and keep things organized. So we're going to add a category and we're going to give this the name men's tops, and then we could click on save. And this category has been added. Then it says select additional categories this product should appear in. Then you could add it if you want, but we're going to proceed. And then this is why we didn't see a preview at the top, because here on Sellfy, you get to see the preview of the product at the bottom. Now we needed to add this product here by dragging and dropping the same picture that we uploaded at the top right down here. You could of course add more because this serves as a preview. And then you have the price settings. Now here you can set the currency into any currency. We're going to leave it at USD, and then we're going to set the price at say $25. Then you also have the option to pay what you want. You're basically telling your clients to pay what they want, starting from the minimum amount. So of course, this option is pretty nice. They could actually pay some more if they feel that this is more worth it. And this really applies to artwork and other stuff that really the price can be subjective. And that's why art is an example. Then we have stock here, and you can see unlimited. Of course, you could put it on limited and put the amount, but we're going to leave it on unlimited. And then because products do have variants in some cases, you can choose to add a variant. And this variant can be license options, colors, sizes, and more. Now, because we're adding a shirt, we want to have variants for colors, sizes, and more. So you can go ahead and click on add variant. So here you can make an edit of the variant, put in the name, the price, the variant files, etc. And then you can click on save. So that's for variant. Then you have custom fields if you want. Then you have also SEO settings. And SEO settings basically help others to look for your product easily through search engines, and this will help them get to you easily. So you need to add strategic tags and meta descriptions to help with your product visibility. Of course, you have the social sharing image, and you could also drop the same picture you had before. And then on the right side, you have the save product option here. And then you have some other parameters such as visible on store page, require billing address, and then you can click on save. And we've saved our product. This looks really nice. So you have the option to copy link or view in store. Take note that this is part of the process if you'd like to sell on Sellfy. Now you have a copy link option, and when you copy it, we're going to paste it on a new tab and see how it looks like. Awesome, right? This is really beautiful because right now we're seeing our store. You can see our logo, you can see the price, and they could add it to the cart. And then you have the product right here. Of course, we could have added more pictures, but you get the point, and you can see that everything we put in is nicely placed here. And then of course, anyone who has this link, you can see they could click on add to cart, and they could go ahead and make their purchase of your product. And when they do, you have your first sales. So we're going to come back here and click on close. And then when we clicked on home, you can see we've added our first product, after which you have the option to customize your store. Now we did a little bit of that, and we're going to go ahead and show you this point where you need to connect your payment gateway, because if you're selling a product, you need to receive it in a way. So this is where the payment gateway is important. So we're going to click on it. And then you can see here, get payments from customers with Stripe and PayPal. So this is to let you know that if you want to earn money on Sellfy, you'll need to have a Stripe account or a PayPal account. So when you do have any of these accounts, you can go ahead and click on connect payments. And then you're going to put in your details. For example, you have your PayPal option here. You can say connect with PayPal or create a free Stripe account if you don't have it, or you can connect on an existing Stripe account. And of course, this is recommended when compared to PayPal. So you can choose any of these options and proceed. And then when you click and select your plan, it says upgrading to a paid plan activates the checkout on your store. And this is an important aspect if you'd like to earn money on Sellfy. So you have to give some money in order to earn. And that is basically what you're getting into if you want to earn money on Sellfy. So at this point, we've been able to show you how to add your product, what you need to do to customize your store by clicking on it and click on customize store. Then you have the option to connect your payment gateway and select your plan. Now, basically with everything here on Sellfy, you get to design your product as we showed you in an example, and then it's going to give you a link. Now you can sell your products using the Sellfy store, or you can sell your product using the link that is provided to you. For example, the link we had for this product, we could go ahead and copy this link and embed it to our website if we have another website, or we can embed it to our social media posts and simply say, buy my shirt or patronize my business. And of course, when people start adding it to their cart and they go to the checkout, which of course you would have needed a plan on Sellfy in order to activate it, you will start earning money here on Sellfy. It's that easy, and we wish you success in doing this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.